Hello, hi. My name is Pietro Ferracini. I'm the CEO and co-founder of FocusPro.ai. Let's get started. So this tool is made for people that happen to be neurodiverse, for example, ADHD, dyslexic, just like me, and want to get more productive. So let me show you how to create an account. So first thing first, you tap on Join for Free. This is going to take you to this login page. You want to log in with your Google account and make sure to give all the permissions. So let's just do that. I'm going to choose this email, and the software is going to ask me to give the permissions. I already logged in, so all the permissions are given. Make sure you have 4 out of 4. You continue, and you're going to access the tool. So this is the little introduction, but since I'm here, you don't need this. What the software is going to do is pull data from your Google Calendar. So let's have a look. This is my Google Calendar, as you can see, already populated with my events. When I go to Focus Pro, the same thing is going to happen here. So I got my events, just like in Google Calendar. This means that everything I do here, for example, I create an event, it's automatically synced with Google Calendar. So when I go back to it, I see it right away. You now create task right here. For example, I'm going to be like record video. Oh, you see, I'm dyslexic. And the software is asking me to choose an importance level. So I'm going to be like, okay, this is very important for my business, so I want to give it a 10 out of 10. I'm going to choose a deadline. So this needs to get done by tomorrow. When I click on automate the software, it's going to rank my task on something called the Eisenhower metric. It pretty much gives a ranking to all my tasks based on the importance, as you can see here, and the deadline, so the urgency. This way, you don't have to think, what are the things that you need to get done? The software does it for you and creates a curated list daily for you next to your calendar. If you give it a second, the software is going to give me a task right here. So what can I do? Drag and drop it into where I think I'm going to have time to work on it. Let's say Tuesday. I drop it in. And what this does is creates a little checkbox next to it. So when I click on it, the software knows that I finished it, and it's not going to remind me to do it the day after. Because in the opposite case, if I don't click on this checkbox, the software tomorrow is going to tell me, hey, Pietro, look, you had something left behind that you need to get done. So let's populate quickly here with some more tasks. Like those are the things that really need to get done. So let me make sure I plan them, right? And so this is what you would do, plan them into your calendar. But let's suppose that I want to actually dive deep into this video recording and I really need to focus. What can I do is I click on it and I click on focus mode. You can see here I have a better view of this task with a smaller calendar on the side that tells me that I'm working on this thing, on the record video. Here I can add a description of my task, work on little subtasks that can help me break down the bigger problems into more manageable chunks, and I can, as before, check them and make sure I keep going. Another feature that I really love is the possibility to use the Pomodoro timer to pretty much like give a rhythm to my work and divide it into blocks of 25 minutes of focus and 5 minutes of break. Thank you very much for following along, and I wish you an amazing, productive day.